Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on your LG Smart TV. So before I start showing you how to set up parental controls, I just want to let you know that there is a preset parental controls pin code on your TV, and on my TV and most probably on many others, the default pin code for parental controls is 4 zeros for most countries, and if you selected Belgium, Norway or France as a country while setting up your TV, then it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. However, let's check how to check the default password for parental controls ourselves. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it first. So first of all, select the gear icon on the home screen of your TV, then select the gear icon at the top bar of the quick settings menu, and after that navigate to support section. Now in support, you're gonna have to select user guide. Then in user guide, navigate to settings. In settings, let's navigate to system, open system menu, and in system select safety. And then in safety, let's check the reset password paragraph. Here you'll be able to find the default password for your parental controls. So as you can see, for me it's 4 zeros, but when France, Norway or Belgium is selected for country, the password is 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now let's go back to settings. Let's open settings once again, go to all settings menu, and now instead of support, select general, then navigate to system, and in system select safety. Then switch this toggle to the right to enable safety feature and provide your default password into the following field. Then press OK, and now we can adjust our parental controls features. The first one is TV rating locks. Once you enter this menu, you're gonna be able to select the inappropriate programs and shows that you don't want to see by selecting the age, for the restricted age of the age rating for these programs. So for example, if you select 9 and above, then you will not be able to, you're gonna have to enter the parental controls pin code to see any show or a program that is rated for people age 9 and above. And if you want to disable TV rating locks, you're gonna have to select none option. And the same way we can lock program by selecting program locks. Then you're gonna have to select the source and the program that you want to lock. I don't have no external devices connected to my TV, so I'm not gonna be able to do this now. So let me just return back to the parental control settings. And the option below is application locks. So here we're gonna have to enter the password. Now let's select the applications that we want to lock. So the applications that you select will require a PIN code for you to enter them. You can also lock all the applications by selecting the first option right here, or unlock all of them by selecting it once again. You can also lock inputs by selecting input locks options, and here you can lock any input that you want to. You can also lock all of the inputs and unlock all of them by selecting the first option on the list. And here you can reset password, which is, I think, the most important thing. So just select reset password, provide the default password, Press OK, and then enter your own password. So let it be 1234 for me, and then confirm your password by entering it once again. And so that's how you set up parental controls on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.